Thank you for subscribing to my channel. To all of you buds, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates.
Masusundan po ba ang Tevez Cup? Basti si Tutu.
Hayaan na lang natin si FJ Moto ang mag-ano ng
Alright.
lahat.
Guys,
Ako ay support lang, okay?
sa pagkakataong ito, pinapasalamatan naming lahat kayong lahat na tumulong. Umpisahan natin, FJ Moto Enduro Racing. Kuya Don, congratulations everybody! Pro Open!
Let's
Norman
get it
Ring
on!
Motocross Championship! Alpine Stars Philippines, Norman Ring Motorbikes, FJ Moto Enduro Racing, Ducati Philippines, Silencio, OZ Racing, Pistaloo, RFN, YSS Suspension, KYT Helmet, Grit, Piratas, and Motomo. 15, 5 board is
5
up.
seconds up.
Count with me. A ball. Misamis Oriental, Mindanao.
5
5,
seconds up.
4. Let's go,
Let's
everybody.
get it on.
Norman Ring Motocross Championship 2026.
Got the whole shot, Mr. Kimboy Pinilla, the whole shot king. It's Generic Planas. Sorry. Kimboy got the whole shot, but si Planas ang nakuha si Kimboy. And second is Ray Ray Baitit. Third with Kimboy Pineda. Now Kimboy Pineda on third place, and fourth place will be Elsed Maningo with Mitch Rivera on fifth place. Ayan po. Nauna na po si Ray Ray Baitbe with John Rick Planas. Yan, makikita natin sa aerial view. Ito si Ray Ray Bait 8 followed by John Rick Planas. Oh, ang ganda na. Itong ride ni Ray Ray Bait 8 is very consistent and very focused on the racetrack. Wala siyang mali. So, possible na hopefully ito ay mag-finish all the way first. Ayan po, ang ganda ng view ng aerial view natin dito sa Norman Ring Motocross Championship. Ayan, still leading Ray Ray Bait 8. Number 181, followed by Janrick Planas. At the third place, Esed Maningo, and the fourth place will be Mitch Rivera. Now, still leading Ray Ray Bait 8. It's still a big gap with Janrick Planas. So ito, medyo alikabok na, no? Si Ray Ray dito sa rollers na to, siya yung nagti-triple. Yung iba dyan, medyo nag-double-double lang. So now, Ray Ray Bait 8 may gap na po kay Janrick Planas on the second place, while on the third place still Elsed Maningo, and the fourth place will be Mitch Rivera. And Macong Dimata on fifth place, followed by sixth place by Fernandez. Seventh place will be Kimboy Pineda. He's the oldest guy in this class. Kimboy Pineda, I think 40. Yeah, but still, ang lakas pa rin. And now still leading Ray Ray Bait 8. Yeah, with the form, with the smoothness and the corners and the jumps. Grabe itong batang to. Sobrang malinis maglaro. Tingnan mo yung mga corners niya, nakatayo sa mga ruts. Wow, perfect. Now in our screen, it would be, Ray Ray Bait 8. Tingnan mo. Napaka-smooth. Sa liko. Simple lang. And still, breaking away to those guys, you know. And the second place would be Janrick Planas. And the third will be Esed Maningo. And the fourth place, still Mitch Rivera. And fifth place would be Makong Dimata. Okay, guys. And number 6 would be Fernandez. Nonoy Fernandez. On the 7th place with Kimboy Pineda. And 8th place, Ralph Ramento. And the 9th place will be McLean Aguilar. Still got the lead. Ray Ray Bait 8 from Lantapan, Bukidnon. Wow. This guy is galing pa yan sa Dipolog. Kami dalawa nagkarera doon, so puyat pa yan ha. Partida yan. So nakikita natin kung kaano ka-smooth sa jumps, got perfect, landing, liko, smooth lang. So, yung mga maneuvering niya sa mga corners, you know, smooth lang na batang to. So makikita natin ng aerial view natin. Now, nakikita natin si John Rick Planas on the 2nd place. And the 3rd place will be Esed Maningo. And the 4th place, Mitch Rivera. Yung dalawa, kanina pa yan, sila, fighting for 3rd place. Yan, still leading, getting a big gap from John Rick Planas. Ray Ray Bait Beat still leading. Wow. Wow, ang ganda ng aerial view natin. Ang sarap pala manood ng ng live feed natin, ang perfect. Yung track ngayon medyo matigas na. Yung kaninang umaga, yun, putik pa yun, madulas. Pero ngayon, perfect na perfect. Medyo hard lang, matigas. Pero for those riders, the pro riders, for them, it's very perfect. Now still leading, Ray Ray Bait 8, followed by John Rick Planas. And the 3rd place would be Elsed Maningo and Mitch Rivera. They're fighting for podium, 3rd finish. Ayan na po, si still leading. Breaking away. Ray Ray Bait 8. Parang feel na yung feel ni Ray Ray ang racetrack. Yung racetrack natin is like supercross track. It's not so, wala siya masyadong it's a tight track, liko, jump. So, yeah, no, tumatayo lang siya sa mga bumps. So, meaning, he's so balanced and confident for the track. Nakaupo lang, simpleng-simple, jumps, corners, perfect. So, yung smoothness niya, yun yung napapagain ng distance ng kalaban niya. So, yung iba kasi nagkakamali, nagmamadali. Yan. And also, John Rick Planas, ang galing niya din, super smooth din na rider yan. Makikita mo, hindi sumisigaw yung motor. So, yan, isa din yan sa nagpapabilis ng ating track ngayon kasi it's so hard packed. Yan, John Rick Planas on in our screen. So, still leading, Ray Ray Bait 8. Yan, Ray Ray Bait 8 from Lantapan. Pinaka-smooth sa racetrack na to. Sa nakita ko lang, ha? Oh, simpleng-simple, nakatayo, nakaupo, tayo. Kuha-kuha yung mga jumps, yun. Goes to the triple, corners, smooth. Lahat, perfect niya. Kinukuha niya perfect. Hindi nagmamadali. So guys, pa-share and shout out. Thank you. Norman Ring Motocross Championship. Sana tuloy-tuloy tayo. Are still on the lead in our screen. Rai Rai Bite 8. Yung mga liko ni Rai Rai, inside. Ayan na. Parang hindi siya napapagod. Consistent siya. Okay. Ayan. Same pa rin. Same speed pa rin.
Ay,
Okay. Still leading Rai Rai Bite 8 in our screen. Okay. Tingnan mo yung rulers ni Rai Rai. Simpleng-simple lang. Second place would be Janrick Planas from Digos. And the third place from Team Orca, Elced Maningo from General Santos. On the fourth place, Mitch Rivera. Para nag-give up na si Mitch. I think,
Kuya Ted, announce ko lang, bawal po magpalipad ang di official FPV at pilot ng drone. Bawal po magpalipad. Meron po tayong official drone. Baka mabanggaan nyo po yung drone namin, boss. Baba muna lahat ng inyong drone. Only official drone pilot and FPV ang magpapalipad. Yan po ang Norman Ring at FJ Moro Enduro. Thank you. Back to you. TC22 Sports Promotion.
okay, still leading. Rai Rai Bite 8. And how many laps now? Hindi pa tayo nag-white flag, pero yung distance ni Rai Rai Bite 8 is pulling away from Janrick Planas. I think it's 3 seconds away or more than. Okay, and on our screen, Rai Rai Bite 8. Okay, still leading Rai Rai Bite 8, followed by Janrick Planas. On third place would be Elced Maningo. Ito po the oldest rider from Pro Class, Kimboy Pineda. Pasensya na. Pero siya pinakamalakas sa mga may edad. So guys, still leading Rai Rai Bite 8 from Lantapan. On our screen, from Marikina, Ralph Ramento. Yan, si Ralph Ramento, galing Manila pa yan, taga Luzon yan. Pumunta lang dito sa karera natin to support Norman Ring Motocross Championship. Next in our screen is Janrick Planas. So, yung mga rider nag-breaking away na, so yung iba hindi na sila nagkadikit-dikit, nagkalayo-layo na. So, nag-maintain na lang yung iba sa pwesto nila. So, I think they were, kontento na sa pwesto nila. And now, on our screen would be Janjan Adlawan from Cebu City. Adlawan Racing. Sa likod nila may nagbakbakan, Makong Dimata at Mitch Rivera. Camera, can you focus on the battle, please? Rapramento on our screen na yan, Mako ni Mata and Mitch Rivera fighting for fourth place. Okay, Rai Rai Baitit on our screen. Yan, focus tayo dyan. Mitch Rivera and Mako ni Mata for fourth place. And Mako ni Mata for fifth place. Yan, parang napapagod na si Mitch or I don't know. Itong si Makong Dimata still following Mitch Rivera na magkamali. So, yan. Pareho na silang pagod pero they were pressuring, Makong Dimata pressuring Mitch Rivera to made a mistake. And now goes to the inside, Makong Dimata, and still Mitch Rivera on the third place. Parang si Makong nag-consistent na lang, tumitingin na. I think he's tired. So nakikita natin yung body language niya. And now on our screen, still leading, Rai Rai Bite It from Lamtapan. From Martis Racing, Rai Rai Bite It. Congratulations, Rai Rai Bite It, in advance.
Wow.
So, now, Rai Rai Bite It on the checkered flag.
Checkered flag, ladies
One
and gentlemen.
goes to the first place.
One, Rai Rai.
On the second place. Wow. On the
Right.
second place, John Rick Planas, Butchukoy.
Let's go, John.
And still on the third place would be Elcid Maningo. Okay, guys.
We would like to remind everybody, lahat po ng mga mananalo at aakyat sa podium, complete uniform lamang po.
Okay, guys. Tapos na po tayo. Thank you, Norman Ring. Thank you, FJ Moto.
Thank you so much. Ted Conde, TC22, Teves Cup. And of course, your Pulilan Motocross. Doon po sa may Pulilan. Yan, gumagawa rin po ng race track si TC22.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, clap your hands. 1-1, Rai Rai Baitit. How are you feeling? Kamusta ka ngayon?
Sobrang saya, hindi talaga mapapalitan na yung saya. Pasalamat ako sa Panginoon, binigyan tayo ng magandang takbo, magandang panahon, at kondisyon yung lawas. Kahit na pagod tayo.
Nandito ngayon ang iyong mga kaibigan. Nandito si Norman Ring Motorbikes. Andito lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, FJ Moto, Enduro Racing, at lahat ng mga kaibigan mo. Batiin mo kami lahat. Let's go!
Binabati ko po lahat ng mga kaibigan, kay Boss Norman Ring. Boss, salamat sa pag-invite o sa magandang racetrack. Thank you, Martis Racing. Salamat, Boss Dave, Paharon Family. O also kay Governor Onel Roque.
There you go, guys. I think, we'll have a photo opportunity with the one and only John D. Laxton of Norman Ring Motorbikes. Everybody, for the victory lap, let's play the music. We are the champion. Point source, Rai Rai Baitit!